Hello guys, in this video I will be address how to use the Eagle Brother agriculture spray drone to do magnet calibration. To do the magnet calibration, we can use the drone, make it work precisely. So now we find the right channel to activate the calibration model. So we want to find the channel G, which is the flight mode channel, and you switch it to for more than 6 times. And now we are entering the calibration mode, and you are receiving the voice notification from the app. And if you see the drum, now the light is becoming a green light. It's not the normal flight mode light. And now we're standing in front of the drum, and we hold it up, rotating in any direction for 3 circles. And you're asking your mate to looking at your rotate and to looking at if the lights change back to the blue lights. So keep rotating. So now the lights turn to blue, and you need to flip the drone over like this vertically, and you're rotating for another 3 circles, and you can see the light by yourself. And when the lights return to the neutral, the flight mode light, and you can put it down. And that means the calibration is done. And now you can pull off the battery. Don't forget to disconnect the battery and reconnect it. After you've done it, and you will be good to fly the drone. So our operator now we disconnect the battery and connect it again. Okay, all good.